there's a lot of ways to make money in real estate. And if you're in the game for a long enough time period, you're probably going to do a mix of these. Just to run through it quick, lenders, really cash flow is the name of the game there. It's the most passive way to get involved in real estate because you're loaning your money, you get interest on it. Good. Wholesalers, other than deal flow, that can give them cash flow. There's really not a lot of other benefits. I mean, you can make a lot of money, but the flipper has a little bit more in the sense that they're buying equity. That's good. There's a lot of risk. I mean, because it could be negative equity if it's not a good deal. They are able to take advantage of leverage, but the landlord, the rental property, gives you equity, gives you cash flow, appreciation, tremendous tax benefits, especially if you have a W-2 job or you're in like one of those higher income brackets. And then leverage. We all like leverage, right?